As of today, May 13, 2025, there are significant upcoming and recent changes to the UK's immigration rules that will affect the Indefinite Leave to Remain (ILR) route. Based on the UK government's recently published immigration white paper and other sources, here's a breakdown of the key changes. Key proposed changes affecting ILR. Extension of ILR Residency Requirement. The standard qualifying period for ILR is proposed to double from 5 to 10 years for most work visa routes under the points-based system. The family visa route is expected to remain at a 5-year qualifying period. Earned settlement model. The government is shifting towards a contribution-based model for settlement. Highly skilled individuals who demonstrate a significant contribution to the UK economy and society may be eligible for a faster route to settlement and citizenship. Examples include healthcare professionals, engineers, and AI leaders. Increased English language requirements. The minimum English language requirement for main applicants on skilled worker and similar work routes will increase from level B1 to level B2 of the Common European Framework for Reference for Languages, CEFR. New English language requirement for adult dependents. Adult dependents of workers and students will, for the first time, need to demonstrate a basic understanding of English at level A1 upon initial application. This will need to progress to level A2 for visa extensions and level B2 for settlement. Changes to skilled worker visas. Higher skill threshold. The minimum skill level for jobs eligible for the skilled worker visa will increase from RQF level 3, A-level equivalent, back to RQF level 6, bachelor's degree level. This means many supervisory and technician level roles, as well as most jobs in care, catering, customer service, warehouse operations, and lower-level construction trades, are likely to become ineligible for this route. Salary thresholds. Corresponding salary thresholds will be updated to reflect the higher skill level. Specific new salary levels have not been universally stated across all sources yet. Immigration skills charge increase. The immigration skills charge paid by employers sponsoring foreign workers will increase by 32%. Graduate route changes. The graduate visa route will be reduced from 2 years to 18 months. Closure of overseas care worker route. The government will stop issuing new care worker visas to applicants from abroad. However, those already in the UK on this route may be able to extend their visas until 2028. Tighter compliance for sponsors. Educational institutions sponsoring international students will face stricter compliance requirements. Restrictions on dependents. Visa conditions for occupations on the new temporary shortage list may include restrictions on bringing dependents for certain low-wage or high-turnover occupations. Recent changes implemented in April 2025. While the white paper outlines future proposals, some changes have already been implemented. Increased minimum income for spouse-partner visas. The minimum income requirement for British citizens and settled persons sponsoring a spouse or partner visa increased significantly to $29,000 on April 11, 2025. This is a substantial rise from the previous $18,600. Skilled worker visa salary threshold increases. New minimum salary thresholds for the skilled worker visa came into effect on April 4, 2025. The general threshold increased to $25,000 per year, $12.82 per hour. Different rates apply based on the job's national pay scale for healthcare and education roles, and the immigration salary list. Immigration salary list. The shortage occupation list has been replaced by the immigration salary list, which is a shorter list of jobs where employers can sponsor workers at a potentially lower salary. Increased ILR and naturalization fees. The fee for applying for indefinite leave to remain increased to $3,029, and the fee for naturalization, British citizenship, rose to $1,605 in April 2025. Important considerations. Transitional arrangements. Individuals who already hold certain visas granted before the implementation of these new rules may be subject to different requirements when they apply for extensions or ILR. For example, skilled workers who held their visas before April 4, 2025 and apply for extensions or settlement before April 4, 2030 may still be subject to the previous salary thresholds, $29,000 or the lower going rate. Long residence route. The qualifying period for ILR based on 10 years of continuous lawful residence remains. However, rules regarding absences during this period have been updated, particularly for periods after April 11, 2024. The limit is now no more than 180 days outside the UK in any rolling 12-month period. Family visa route. While the standard ILR qualifying period for partners and spouses remains at 5 years,